Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can make your images and photos in Google Docs fit your full page, for example, to set a borderless printing. So let us get started right away, guys. So in the first step, add an image or photo to your document by clicking on Insert here at the top, by hovering the mouse over image, and by selecting your device like computer, for example. So as you can see, I added already this one here. So what you want to do next, guys, once you have added your photo or image, is left click on it to select it. After that, head over to its image options here at the top, and here in the right panel, make sure that you select text wrapping, so expand it, and after that select wrap text here and set the 0 margin here under margins from text. So go through these margins, start with the top margin, add 0, then go with the bottom margin, left and right. So make it really margin less. And what you want to do after that, guys, is expand the position options here below and switch from move with text to fixed position on page. After that, you may close the image options by clicking on the X icon here and simply resize your image so that it covers the entire page by clicking and holding on these edges or corners and simply adjust its position so that it fits the entire page. And that should do it, guys. As you can see, now it fits the entire full page. And that's how you do it, guys. Now you can print it borderless. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.